at a very important topic. We now exempt information. We also can call exemptions under the Right to Access Information Act of 2013. Well, for help me talk about this, I get with me in the studio Amara Thoron, Public Information and Communications Officer. We are attached to the National Secretariat. Amara, welcome to the program.
Yeah, Famulem, good afternoon.
I also get with me David Akambul, we are the Senior Compliance Officer at RAIC and instead deal with the program. David, good afternoon and welcome to the program.
Famulem, good afternoon.
Well, you self when you watch the program, you get the opportunity for adding voice to the program. You can send text message to the program to this number, so when 0784078847, send a text message there or go to the Facebook page and make comments there and we will try for read them out as the program they go before. So as I said today, inside this edition of the program, we talk about exempt information, what we also call exemptions under the Right to Access Information Act. As you would all know, say RAIC will main mandate now for ensure say we facilitate access to information, for ensure say all man able for access information effortlessly. But what could tell they engage either the one that will hold information or the one they want for ask for the information? The first question they can ask we now all information if we give out, well now then they will look at it because we get a whole section where address that concern where the one that will make the law put inside the Right to Access Information Act of 2013 for address or for allayed and fears then day. So as I say, I get Amara and Davida for help me talk about that. So Amara, I will start with you first. If we talk about exempt information, what will they talk about?
Thank you very much, David. Famule, like way David rightly say, we work na Right to Access Information Commission now for facilitate access to information. Right to information now any of the human rights we can think of, so equally so we can hear about say okay this now you right information we
normally can get to people away now all information we will give out where the answer are no. We're supposed to give out information, but the law say no to all sets of information. And again, list of the classes of information where you know for the Amara don't talk about we talk about exemptions inside the law. Before I bring David inside Amara, let's just look at 3 exemptions, just maybe 3. Whose type information we person not for give out, where the law according to the law say not for give out. Whose type of information?
Thank you very much. One the way very common get for do with personal information, but maybe when the time they go on small in the program we go discuss and
line there you talk about personal information and I will just watch Amara say you are this year I not look well I use the right to access information.
A journalist of the AYV Empire and Media Empire, we copy on the information request will be sent to the Sierra